Alright, welcome back to Plain and Simple Projects. We've got today an unboxing of a window bird feeder that one of my daughters got. It's actually from Amazon. And you can take a look at it. Looks like it's from NHO Bird Nature's Hangout. Window bird feeder. And I'll show you the side here too. You can see what it looks like with the plexiglass house. There's some suction cups on the side of it that allow it to basically attach to a window. And allows birds to eat their feed right there in front of you on the window. So that's from Amazon. So we'll take a look at it. We'll unbox this and see what we have here.
Looks like.
There it is. Yep, there it is. Okay, let's open it up. This here. Let's open this section up.
Okay. Open this.
It's here like that. There it is.
Ugh, this is gonna take.
And there's no
This is gonna take me 8 years.
here and got little things to put in here.
Okay,
and
here we go.
doesn't have glue.
Alright.
Don't forget you. Okay, here
Let's
we
go
are.
and take a look at the suction cups. We have 4 suction cups.
They seem
And it
weak.
fits like this. See that? Push this in here.
They seem weak.
See,
Why do they
there you go.
seem
So
weak?
and it fits up like that. See, so it pushes in and then slides up.
Okay, there we go.
So we take it in and we slide it up, so it locks into place. There you go. So that one's slid up.
It's hard to do this
We
one.
got a bear feeder and it
That's pretty simple.
It looks like it's light enough that if it does,
And open the sink.
Dad, can you please lock up these?
okay, so lock these up.
Right? Open this.
Lock these up too.
Dad, do we start putting these in? Like, do we start putting some in?
So we can put a little bird feed. Actually, what we probably need to do first is we need to secure this to the window.
Okay.
So let's go do that. Let's go secure
But
this
Dad,
to the
we're
window.
gonna have to.
All right, so we've actually put it on the window right here. We had to clean the window first so that would suction together properly. But we got that taken care of, and so you connect it. I'll show this how this works. But connect it, and you slide up the suction things on the top of your houses. That's what we did, and then filled this thing with some bird seed. We're just checking it out. This one's a little